Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Adarsh Welkin Park, which is located in Chudasandra, Sarjapur, Bangalore, a project by Adarsh Group. And today we'll be doing the project unboxing, in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, internal and external both, with the parking provision, master plan, floor plan, unit plan, current construction status of the project with the position. But before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So this is the marketing office. And about the land parcel is Holders land parcel of 51.5 acres of land parcel where the marketing office is built on and where the construction work is going on. Now, let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview with the help of 3D model. So this is total 51.5 acres of land parcel. And here, let's focus upon the phase 2, which consists of 2 towers, with each tower of 2 basement ground plus 25 floors, having exclusive 2.5 BHK and 3 BHK amenities plus the lake-facing apartments. Now coming to the location part, so this project is located in Chudasandra, Sarjapur, Bangalore. And now let me tell you that basically this is the internal road for the phase 2 and the project. Now about the further connectivity of the project, let me first tell you that this project is prime tri-junction to 3 main parts of Bangalore. Easily connection from Sarjapur main road, ORR and the electronic city as well. Coming to the further connectivity of the project. So Gattahalli road is 2 kilometers away from the project. Food Max Hypermart is 2.6 kilometers away and Hosa Metro is 4.5 kilometers away from the location of the project. And now one thing that we should not miss is the lake view. So this is the Gattahalli lake, for which you'll be getting the lake view apartment for the towers. Now about the amenities part, and the first one is internal amenities. So all the apartment in this project will be unfurnished with branded fittings and fixtures with the vitrified tiles, assessing, CCTV, firefighting system and many more. Now about the amenities part, so this project provides you ultra luxurious amenities like as you can check out, this is the grand clubhouse with all the indoor amenities like saloon, resto, spa, bar and even many more. Additionally, you can check out the outer amenities like a swimming pool, multi-purpose court, garden area, kids play area and many more. Now about the parking provision, so this project provides you one type of car parking and that is the basement level of car parking.
Now let's do the master plan. This is the master plan of Adarsh Welkin Park. As you can see in the image, this is the multi-development project. Consists of villas and towers. So this part of the project has villa construction, which are completely sold out. And these towers are the part of phase 1, which are again sold out. These 2 towers are in the phase 2, having luxurious amenities and lake-facing apartments, and these towers are for future development. Let's now have a look at some of the unit plan. This is the unit plan of 3 BHK, 1868 square feet. This is the unit plan of 3 BHK, 1906 square feet super built-up area.
Now the most interesting part, and that is the current construction status of the project. So as you can check out behind me, this is the phase 1 and 50% work is completed for the phase 1. Now coming to the second phase. So for tower 4, the excavation work is going on, and for the tower 3, the foundation work is going on, and you can check out the construction site just behind me. Now about the possession part of the project. So let me tell you that the phase 1 possession is in December 2027 and for the phase 2 is June 2028. So everyone, this was the project unboxing of the residential project that is Adarsh Welkin Park, which is located in Chodisandra, Sarjapur, Bangalore, a project by Adarsh Group.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.